Ayan na po yung aking barley, barley. Gang, bumili ka na ng barley ko. Ayan na po. Baliktad naman tumi. Baliktad, dapat ibaliktad din siya. Ganyan. Ay, ano ba? Baliktad eh. So, ganyan. Ayan. Baliktad din. Hello guys! Barley, pag may time. Ayan na po guys, yung aking barley. Barley. This is rich in fibers. So, let's do it. Buy barley. Yan po guys, yung aking barley. 110 lang po. In cash basis. Oh my God! This is my barley. Okay. Yan guys. And I'll show you later how to drink barley. This is rich in fibers. This is good for the body, especially if you are sick and going to be healthy. Energy need barley. Oh my God. Okay, so, ito na po, hindi na kayo mahirapan. At hawak ko na yung aking barley. Sino po yung gustong umorder? Just PM me. Just only here in Saudi Arabia. And Makkah. Just message me. And I'm available. Okay guys. Thanks. Gabiton lang yan guys. Ganyan lang, kuha ng isa ka sachet at itimpla lang siya. Yan. Yung barley natin. Yan siya guys. Yung barley. Itimpla lang siya sa baso. Tasa. And half of water. Like this. Yan yung ating barley. And then open for okay. Yan guys, yung ating barley. Yan lang yung ating barley. Ayan guys. Yan yung ating barley. So, kuha tayo ng kutsara. Just mix it. Yan. And then drink it. Guys, yung ating barley. Just drink. Organic barley, rich in fibers. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Good afternoon.